Hey YouTube, I said that I would do a video about my VGA cable, and I got it hooked up. Everything's up and running, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, so obviously I'm recording this from my webcam. This is my computer screen right here. This is my Xbox screen. My new Xbox screen. I'm using my Logitech Xbox X540 on this thing. Oh my god, it rocks the house. So yeah, so far so good. I'm going to install my my Xbox Live, and there's my Xbox down there. Everything's full of like freezy wrappers and these things, and what else have I got here? Xbox Live. I just bought it today. 12 months, and yeah. So perfect. It's all perfect. I swear to God, this thing's beautiful. I'm gonna try a game. So yeah. Look how sexy this looks. It's like, oh, sexy. I don't know why I like using the word sexy. 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 Okay. Well, oh yeah, I'm gonna put it. Okay. So yeah, my old TV screen is back there. My old Sylvana piece of shit. Now, look how this is. My old Sylvana TV screen. You hear that? Glass. Has only two components in here. Only two components. Picture and I think it's right audio. Anyway, I might be selling this thing or whatever. Anyway, I'll make more videos and reviews of the things that I get, and yeah. So I'll see you guys later.